Have you ever wondered how you can remove this powered by Shopify text in your Sense theme? So here is the Sense theme right here. And if we should click on this powered by Shopify, you can see that it is unable. You can see that we are not able to edit it, and you wonder exactly how you can, easily edit the powered by Shopify text and remove it. That is what I'm going to teach you in today's video. Now stick right there and let me go back. So right here, I want you to go to your theme library, just like this, and you look for the Sense theme. Okay, then you go right here, click on this three dotted line, the horizontal line right there, and click on edit default theme content. Okay, so you want to click on that, and it will take you to the theme content, right? And right here we have this. So the next thing you want to do now is to use the search box right here to search and filter. So you want to click that, and you want to search for powered. You want to search for powered. What's wrong? So once you search for part just like this, you can see that it's already showing you all the general stuff around the part by Shopify. So what you want to do is right here, you want to remove this part by Shopify, and you want to put space. Okay. So the moment you put space, it's gonna, remove that. And you want to remove this also, the part by Shopify HTML. Okay. And you also put space. Sorry about that. You put space, and what, you're good to go. All right. So now once you do that, just go ahead and hit on save. So the moment you hit on save, the theme content will be updated. So if I should go back to my Sense theme now, and I refresh this page, okay, this customization page, and I reload it, and I scroll down, now you can see that there is no powered by Shopify here any longer. Okay, so it's only my brand name and the privacy policy. So this exactly is how you can remove the powered by Shopify in your Sense theme, or maybe if there's any other theme you're using and you want to remove the powered by Shopify, this is also applicable to other themes. Okay, and you can even do it in a way that you can actually say powered by your brand name. Okay, so I can say powered by Maeve, okay, which is the brand name of the store. Okay, and in the HTML also, I can just put the gap, okay, and I hit on save. And if I should go back and refresh, it shows my brand name. So you see, now I have the Maeve powered by Maeve right there in the under the footer. Okay, so this is exactly how you can go about removing the powered by Shopify, text in your Sense theme. If you have any question, you can let me know in the comment box. I'll be glad to reply you. And if you find this video helpful, please always make sure that you hit the red subscribe button, and also like this video and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop new video tutorials just like this to help you guys have a good and catchy Shopify store. I wish you happy dropshipping.